And the first one is design DFA which accepts strings with exactly one B over A comma B. So write language exactly one B. So you can have any number of A's but only one B. AAB, BAA, ABA and so on. Now here minimum string length is 1. So number of states required are 1 plus 1, 2. So write this as Q0, Q1. 2 states are required. Q1 is a final state. So place this B here and here you should do Q0 on B we already used. So now we need to apply A. So can we take it as self loop? Yes. Because there is no condition. Okay. Here your string should contain exactly one B. That's the only condition. It can have A's before B. You can have a string can have A's before B or after B. So you will get AB from this, which is allowed. Then next on Q1. On Q1 you can apply A. Can you apply B on Q1? No, because your string should contain only single B, exactly one B. So on B, it should move to dead state. I am representing dead state as QD. So all the strings which contains more than one B, they'll move to dead state. They'll not go to final state. Okay. So from this we can generate ABA is allowed. Okay, or else you can have, this is a loop, so you can have any number of A's. AB, this is also allowed. BAA, allowed, and so on. So this DFA will accept all strings which contain at least one B. Now let us take second one, that is sixth question. This is fifth one. At least one B. At least one B means you can have more than one B. At least one B. So language for this is minimum B, and after that you can have any number of A's and B's. So you can have ABB, ABA, or BAAB and so on, which is nothing but at least one B. So you can have more than one B also. Minimum string length is 1. So number of states required are 2. So draw DFA Q0, Q1. Q1 is your final state and input symbol is B. So before this B, you can have A. So now we apply input symbol A and B on Q0. Done. On input symbol Q1, you can apply any number of A's and B's. So what are the possible strings here? A, B. String starting with A will be A, B, A. Or if string starts with B, B, A, A, B. Okay. So this is accepted, and so on. So this DFA can accept all strings which contain at least one B.